Do you know that using controlled substances, illegal controlled substances, is wrong?
Right away, Judge Stephanie Boyd opens with a blunt moral question, not a legal technicality, but a basic principle. And that's important. In many drug-related cases, courts aren't just evaluating a crime. They're evaluating judgment and responsibility, especially when children may be involved. So keep an eye on how the judge balances punishment with rehabilitation here. And here's a question for you. Do you think courts should prioritize treatment over punishment in drug cases involving parents?
Court is calling 2022 CR 2843, State of Texas versus Christine Garcia. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Martha Sanders.
For the defense?
Alfonso Otero on behalf of Ms. Garcia.
And are you Christine Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense, I'm showing you what's entitled Acknowledgement of Discovery. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Garcia, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we're proceeding on count 2, waiving count 1.
Quick legal breakdown here. The prosecution just waived count 1 and moved forward with count 2 only. That usually means the state believes the second charge is easier to prove or fits the plea deal better. Strategically, prosecutors sometimes drop weaker charges to secure a guaranteed conviction on a stronger one. It also streamlines the case. No jury trial, no drawn-out testimony. But notice what that means for the defendant. She's about to plead to a third-degree felony, which in Texas carries 2 to 10 years in prison. This is already serious territory.
Any objections?
No, Judge.
All right, Ms. Garcia, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments of Defendants' Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Did you understand the state is proceeding on count 2, which is possession of a controlled substance, felony group 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She is, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Garcia, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. State recommends community supervision, and there is no application for deferred adjudication, and $171 to Bear County lab for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
State is at the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal Paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, referral to felony drug court, and MRT. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to count 2, In the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, the state offers State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objection, Judge.
Ms. Garcia, I'm going to show you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney?
And here's where the tone of the courtroom begins to shift. Up to this point, this has been a routine plea hearing. Paperwork, rights, procedures. But once a judge hears, "I have children," the stakes immediately change. Courts take potential child endangerment extremely seriously. Even if the charge itself is drug possession, the judge now has to consider a second question. Is the child safe? And this moment often determines how strict the sentencing conditions will become.
Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand that you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same, and the court is finding you guilty of count 2. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, just follow the legal argument.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
She's 5, gonna be 6.
And where is she?
She's with her grandma right now.
Is Child Protective Services involved?
No, ma'am.
So why is she with her grandmother?
Oh, I had to come to court. So she's watching her.
When's the last
This is one of the most significant rulings in the hearing. The judge isn't sending her straight to prison, but she's placing strict safeguards around the child. No unsupervised contact with minors means the court is effectively saying, you can stay in the community, but the child's safety comes first. Legally, this is a balancing act between rehabilitation and protection. The court is giving the defendant a chance to recover through treatment and drug court, but with serious oversight. And here's the big question for viewers. Do you think this is a fair second chance, or should the court have taken a harsher approach?
time you used?
I have it. I'm on the methadone right now.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a housekeeper.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's $1,000 fine to be probated. $171 restitution for lab testing. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation. And we'll start her out with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to run a referral to felony drug court. There's to be 150 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get it, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes, and the remaining of those 40 hours will be waived once you complete parenting classes. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So your grandmother is going to have to be present. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And probation, I'm sorry, I'm going to need field visits 3 times per month, random. Make sure they check on the child. We're going to do the UA hotline. And is there anything else that, sorry, they want the MRT course. The MRT course is supposed to tell you right from wrong. Do you know right from wrong?
Yes.
Do you know that using controlled substances, illegal controlled substances is wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I just gave you your MRT course. Do what's right. If you go forth in this world and you do what's right, sometimes good things will happen to you. Sometimes good things won't happen to you. But guess what? You'll feel glad that you did what's right. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, is there anything else that you need? Anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak with an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You have children. Children are looking up to you. Do better. You understand? Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.
Please drop your views and comments